These OXO Good Grip 3-piece mixing bowl set is the real deal. It's my favorite bowl in the kitchen for mixing anything, whether it comes to eggs, batter, pancakes, cake mixes, you name it. This bowl set has a real good feel when you grab the handle, which is the black edge. It's a sure grip and the easy pour little spout. It has a good non-drip pour action from it, and the soft bottom gives it a sturdy, nice grip on the counter, meaning it will not slide around, and it's actually kind of quiet also. The quality of the plastic, it's strong, durable, you can't beat it. It's just the best bowl on the market, and after this video, just click and buy it. You won't be disappointed.